exercise number 2.1. Yesterday we have seen example number 1. Today we will see example number 2. Write the coefficient of x square. And delete मारना और button दिख गया. Okay. Standard 9, chapter number 2, polynomials. Okay. Second lecture. Exercise number 2.1. Example number 1 we have seen yesterday. Today we will see the example number 2. Example number 2 is like this way. Write the coefficient of x square. What is meant by coefficients? The constant multiplied by with the variable is known as the coefficient. Suppose I have written here on the day I have also explained you. Today again I will explain. Suppose 3x raised to 4. Then 3 is your coefficient, x is your variable or base, 4 is a part. Okay. So what is your here coefficient? It is a 1. Nothing is written but 1 is hidden. 1 is hidden always at the 3 ways. Do you know? Suppose I have written here 6. 6 raised to 1, 6. 1 multiplied by 6, 6. 6 divided by 1, 6. Is it clear? We have not written it, but it is there. It is in positions. Whenever it is required, we will write it. Okay? The coefficient of x square is equal to 1. That is your answer. Example number 2. 2 minus x square plus x cube. A coefficient of x square is equal to, what is your here written? Minus 1. Minus 1. Very easy. Now coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Pi by 2. It is pi by 2. x square ની સાથે કયો constant multiplied થયેલો છે pi by 2. Okay. Now example number 4. Root 2x minus 1. Coefficient of x square. Where is the terms of x square? It is not exist. x square वाળું term જો છે જ નહીં. Then what is the coefficient? So I will write like this way also. 0x square. 0 multiplied by anything is equal to 0. So coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Get it? समझ पड़ गई ने? Right. Now example number 2. Give one example of binomials. One example of binomials of degree 35. And second, I have taken A and B. B part of monomials of degree 100. So we have to write one example of polynomials whose degree is 35. Whose degree is 35. એવો આપણે polynomials શોધવાનું છે. Don't worry about this one. I have took the photographs of this one. I will send you by the PDF file. PDF files બનાવીશ. એના અંદર આ બધું જે લખેલું છે તેના ફોટોગ્રાફ પાડીને તમને મોકલીશ. તો at the time of make the notes it is easy to you. Okay. આ ફોટો PDF ઉપરથી તમે નોટ બનાવજો. Give the one example of binomials of degree 35. So suppose I have written Px is equal to, binomials means how many terms are there? 2. Monomials means how many terms are there? 1. Trinomials means how many terms are there? 3. Multimonomials more than 3. So Px is equal to, you must have write one terms as 35 and second term whose power must be less than 35. Suppose I have written 4x raised to 3. You can any write x raised to 29 minus 4x square, but 2 terms must be there. You can write only 72 upon 72 upon 5. You can write anything. Okay, but not more than 2 terms because we are asked to write the Barnimals. આપણે Barnimals કરવાનું છે એટલે ફક્ત બે જ ટર્મ લખવાના. એક ટર્મ 35 વાળો પાવર 35 વાળો હોવું જોઈએ, બીજું ટર્મ્સ 35 થી ઓછું જ હોવું જોઈએ. ક્લિયર? So I have Barnimals of degree 35, 6x raised to 35 plus 125x square. Coefficient must coefficient should be n. So તમે 125, but it is not power, it is a coefficient. So you can write it here. I have taken also another example. Minus 7x raised to 35 plus 8. Second, monomials of degree 100. That means only one terms will be there. Only one. If trinimals, then the 3 terms. કેટલા ટર્મ્સ રાખશું? ફક્ત એક જ ટર્મ રાખશું અને એનો પાવર કેટલો હોવો જોઈએ? Must be 100. It index will be hundreds. Here anything that is your answer also. 38 minus 38 pi by 2, whatever you may write. So I will write here x raised to 100, 42. 3x raised to 100. I have given, instead of one, I have given 2 examples of each one. Did you get it? समझ पड़ गई? आपने गईकाले જોયું polynomials can be classified by the 2 according to the terms. According to the terms na અંદર 3. Monomials, there is only one terms. Binomials, there is only 2 terms. Trinimals, there is only 3 terms. Clear? Then according to the power, according to the degree, according to the index, exponential, whatever it may be. Okay, if it is a 1, degree of polynomials is 1, then it is a linear polynomials. If degree 2, 2x square plus 3x plus 5, then it is a quadratic polynomials. X cube plus 7x plus 8, cubic polynomials. If degree of polynomials is 3, then it is, what is in the degree of polynomials? The highest power in the polynomials is known as the degree of polynomials. એટલે linear ના અંદર કેટલા? 1, quadratic માં કેટલા? 2, અને degree cubic ના અંદર કેટલા? 3. Okay, not terms, it is a per degree. Clear? Now write the degree of following polynomials. What is in the degree of following polynomials? The highest power of the polynomials is known as the degree of polynomial. 5x cubed plus 4x square plus 7x. Example number 4, 1. What is the degree of polynomials? Here it is degree of polynomials is 3. Highest is 3. So it is also known as the cubic polynomials. Okay. Term છે the trinomials, cubic polynomials set it names. 4 minus y square. Degree of polynomials equal to what? Here you have written 2. So answer is 2. Degree of this polynomials is 2. Now 5t plus root 7. What is the degree of polynomials? 1. Because t raised to 1 here. Okay, get it? What is the degree of polynomials? 3. Only 3. Then degree of polynomials is x raised to 0. Is equal to 0. The degree of polynomials is 0, then it is known as the constant polynomials. Okay, yesterday we have seen it. It is also known as the constant polynomials. One example I will give here. Last time I have asked it. X square plus 3, x raised to 3 plus 4. What is the degree of polynomials? Tell me. Is it 2 or a 3 or a 5 or a 6? One answer is there. 2, D option 3, C option 5, D option 6. Correct answer is 5. Here x raised to 2 multiplied by x cube plus 4 plus 3 x cube plus 4. So here x raised to 3 to the 6. Right? No, wrong. Wrong. It is x square multiplied by x cube plus 4x square plus 3x cube plus 12. So here x raised to 2 plus 3, x raised to 5, 4x square plus 3x cube plus 12, 4x square plus 3x cube plus 12. What is your answer? It is 5, not 6. આ કોમનલી ભૂલ બધાની થાય છે એટલા માટે એક વખત બોર્ડમાં આ સમ આ ટાઈપનો સમ પૂછેલો એટલે I have remind you. Okay. Now, degree of polynomial. Classified the following polynomials as linear, quadratic, and cubic. Right? હવે આપણે અહીંયા બધા polynomials આપેલા છે. એમાંથી આપણે ત્રણ કેટેગરીઝમાં વહેંચવાના છે. હા? કે is it linear? If degree of polynomials is 1, then it is non-linear. If degree of polynomials is 2, then it is known as the quadratic. If the degree of polynomials is 3, then it is cubic. 1 by 1, linear, quadratic, cubic. X square plus x, it is a quadratic. I will write here x square plus x. Clear? Second, x minus x cube. X cube, degree of polynomials 3. X minus x cube. Y plus y square plus 2, quadratic. Y plus y square plus 4. That is your second, that is your third. 1 plus x, 1. 1 plus x, that is your fourth. 3t, it is also here, linear. R square, here. And 7x cube, it will be here. That is your answer. Get it? We have classified it. Now, tell me if px is equal to x plus 7. What is the value of these polynomials? What is the value of these polynomials? There are infinite value. As the value of x is changed, the value of polynomials will be changed. Okay. Suppose I have written here 1, p1. How is it read? The value of polynomials when x is equal to 1. In short, we will read as P1. P1 means value of polynomials when x is equal to 1. Put the x is equal to 1 wherever you see x. તમને જ્યાં x દેખાય ત્યાં તમારે 1 લખવાનું. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Get it? Suppose P2, value of polynomials when x is equal to 2.5. 2.5 plus 7 instead of x. What I will write? I will write 2.5 is equal to 7.5. P minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. As the value of x is changed, the value of polynomials will be changed. Okay. આપણે શરૂઆતમાં જોયું કે x ઇઝ વેરિયેબલ છે એટલે એની વેલ્યુઝ જુદી જુદી વેલ્યુ એટલે આખા પોલિનોમિયલ્સની વેલ્યુ જુદી. That means value of x is different and value of polynomials are different things. બંને જુદી મેટર્સ છે, જુદી વાત છે. Now px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. P2 I have taken. Read as value of polynomials when x is equal to 2, or we will simply read it P2. As the value of x is changed, the value of px will be also changed according to the value of x. x ની વેલ્યુ પ્રમાણે તમારી આ વેલ્યુ બદલાશે. Now in textbook illustrations is given. Example number 2. Find the value of following polynomials at the indicated value of variable. Variable ની value indicate કરી છે. Here you have written it. Px is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. What is the value of x? 1. What we want to find? Value of polynomials. P1 જ્યાં x દેખાય ત્યાં કેટલા લખવાના? 5 કે 7? 1, because here is there 1. 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. Get it? Simplify it. 5 ones are 5 minus 3 plus 7. 5 plus 7 12. 12 minus 3 9 is your answer. Okay? Qy. Instead of x variable we are given y. Any variable you can take it. Okay? 3y cube minus 4y plus square root of 11 at y is equal to 2. Find the value of given polynomials when y is equal to 2. Q2. Write the 2 instead of 1. 3 2 cube minus 4 2 plus square root of 11 8 2 no cube 8 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 minus 8 plus square root of 11 3 8s are 24 minus 8 plus 11 is equal to 16 plus square root of 11. Okay? That is irrational, that is rational, so you cannot plus it. Keep it as it is your answer. Pt is equal to 4 pt raised to 4 5 t cube at t is equal to a. Very simple. Instead of t you will write a. 4 a raised to 4 plus 5 a cube minus a square plus 6. That is your answer. That is your answer. Get it? Okay. Now one terminology we will say zeros of the polynomials. Zeros of the polynomials. The value of x, where the value of polynomials becomes the zero, is known as the zeros of the polynomials. Confusion size in it. Okay. Suppose I have taken here px is equal to x plus 7. P minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. What is the value of polynomials? 0. When it becomes the 0? When x is equal to minus 7. So minus 7 is the zeros of these polynomials. Get it? When the value of px polynomials becomes the 0, at that time the value of that x is known as the zeros of the polynomials. Here I have also one center. Consider px is equal to x minus 1, p1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 is the zeros of px. I have taken another example. Qx is equal to 2x minus 1. q 1 upon 2 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 upon 2 is the zeros of qx. Get it? The value of x at which value of px is 0, then the value of x at that time is known as the zeros of the px. એટલે બંને ઝીરો ની ટર્મિનોલોજી જોવા જઈએ તો જુદી પડી જાય છે. That shows the value of x. If p3 is equal to 0, that means 3 is the zeros of the given px. 3 is 0 of the px. Sometimes 0 is not exist. Suppose you are given the constant polynomials px is equal to 5, then there is not 0 for the given px. At that time it is not zeros of this px. આમાંના આપણે ઘણા બધા સમ્સ કરશું ત્યારે તમને વધારે સમજ પડશે. ઓકે.